Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Cheri and today is Tip for Tuesday. It's also October, so today I got a little tip for you that can make your Halloween parties a little more memorable. Or this is something you could just really do for dinner if you wanted to just kind of make it special for the evening for Halloween. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food and fun, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, I almost can't talk today, as well as the notification bell, and be sure to check the description below. You'll find details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. Okay, so I had hoped to show you guys this from start to finish. And when I tried this out, I filled up this glove and didn't realize I don't have any more. This was the last one I had. So unfortunately, basically what I did was I just took a rubber glove and I filled it up with water. I put a rubber band on there and I pinched it off with a clip and it just laid it in the freezer. I thought about hanging it, but then this part here bubbled up and it really just didn't look like a hand. So I'm hoping by laying it flat, I did this right. This is the first time I've done this. And hopefully it'll float in the bowl. That's the other thing I was worried about. So I just ran it under some water just for a couple of seconds after I took it out of the freezer to make sure that it would, well, hopefully it'll come out here. We'll see. Oh, it's frozen up here. Okay. And then in my bowl here, of course, if you're doing a party, you can do punch or tea or whatever, but I'm not having a party. So my family drinks a lot of Crystal Light. So that's what I put in there, but look how cool that is. Let's see if we flip it over what it looks like. It looks like there's a hole in the hand. I think it looked better the other way, but there's a hole in it. But that's all right. He got stabbed, I guess. Isn't that so cute? Man, I'm going to have to order some more gloves off of Amazon, though, because I wish I could put a couple of them in there. Too cute. And you know what else? I just remembered. I'll show you. I could have done something like this, too. If you go, I know like the Dollar Tree has all kinds of molds. I don't know where I got this one at. But this one is little bones, and it's actually dog bones. But I'm sure you can find Halloween, like ones that would look a little more scary. I'm sure you could find those somewhere. Even these would be okay, though. And to make some ice cubes out of these, too, and throw them in there along with the hands. Super cute, but it's so easy. So I just love that tip, and I hope you guys enjoy it, too. So let me know in the comments below, and I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.